With volatility in the crypto space increasing, it makes a lot of investors nervous. It makes a lot of retail investors worry. But it brings in the true professionals. It brings out the true traders out there that feed off of that volatility and make a lot of money whether or not prices are going up or down. Now, because of that, it brings in a lot of excitement. And that excitement turns into emotion. And that emotion turns into retail buying. And I am beyond excited about Wall Street Pepe and its potential. Guys, it is just crushing records right now. We're going to be talking about its price action in this video. We're going to be talking about the fact that, well, it could outshine Pepe in this upcoming bull market rally. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got a little article to go over this morning that talks about Wall Street Pepe becoming the fastest growing ICO, higher growth projections than Pepe. Now, if at any time during this video you find yourself interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description below. It's going to pull you up to this website right here. From there, it is super simple to connect your wallet. Now, you can either buy with a card or you can buy with crypto. If you need help buying with crypto, make sure to type in how to buy Wall Street Pepe on my channel. I've got a full tutorial. I put my wallet on the left-hand side of the screen, show you guys every button to click on, making it extremely simple, whether this is your first ICO or you just haven't done one in a while or you want a little bit of a refresher on what it looks like. From there, we'll talk a little bit more about what Wall Street Pepe is going to do and all of that in a second here. But as you can see, 1 day and 1 hour left until the price rises. I highly doubt it lasts another even 24 hours. $43.3 million raised so far. And when it reaches $43.75 million raised, that price is going to increase. So if you guys want to get in for a cheaper price, make sure you pay attention to that timer or pay attention to that, I guess the number counter right here so that you guys can get in at that cheaper price. Now, we'll talk a little bit more about what they do in a second. Let's talk about their projected growth, man, because this is what's got a lot of people excited. While Pepe eyes new highs, analysts question its ability to sustain growth beyond $1. And you know what? I'm going to be honest with you. I don't think Pepe makes it to $1, right? I don't think Shiba Inu coin makes it to $1. When you're talking about price levels like that, we're talking about, quadrillions of dollars or hundreds of trillions of dollars in wealth. And it's kind of, it's fantasy. Meanwhile, Wall Street Pepe raises over $42 million in its ICO, positioning itself as a contender for the fastest growing meme coin with 100x potential. The popular meme coin Pepe has captured investor attention after breaking out of the descending symmetrical triangle, a technical pattern signaling bullish momentum. Currently trading at 2,100 points, Pepe is testing key resistance at 2,187, with traders closely monitoring whether it can rally towards the 3,000 point per coin mark in the near term. Technical indicators support the optimism. Then it goes on to talk about those. Can Pepe realistically hit $1? That'd be a $420 trillion market cap. I say no. Wall Street Pepe, could it outperform Pepe? Absolutely, guys. And that's just based on capital gains. Now, do I think that Wall Street Pepe is going to surpass a $10 billion market cap while Pepe, dies out? No, I don't. But I do believe that because it's such a smaller market cap, it's got that higher growth potential. It says, while Pepe fights for incremental gains, Wall Street Pepe has emerged as a frontrunner in the meme coin space. Its presale has already crossed the $42 million mark, averaging over $1.33 million per day, making it one of the most successful meme coin ICOs in history. Unlike Pepe, Wall Street Pepe offers utility-driven features, including trading signals, staking rewards, and community-driven tools, giving it an edge in long-term value. Now, I want to just briefly talk on that. I don't think that these utility features are necessarily going to drive the price of Wall Street Pepe significantly higher, but I do think that they're useful. What they're essentially doing is building an alpha group that you need to own Wall Street Pepe in order to access. Depending on the size of this community and depending on how active this community is, it could be a game changer. I'm comparing it a lot to Wall Street Bets of late 2020, early 2021. Those guys weren't geniuses, but everything they talked about in that group, it just soared in value because everybody in that group was willing to buy what was talked about. If that's the same case for Wall Street Pepe, it's going to be so much easier to see meme coins and tiny little cryptocurrencies soar in value than it is multi-billion-dollar companies that were talked about in Wall Street Bets. So if you see some little meme coin being discussed in the Wall Street Pepe group, a lot of people are likely to buy it. And because of that, the price is likely to go up. And therefore, I want access to this group. So I am going to be keeping some of my Wall Street Pepe. I'm going to be taking a lot of profit when Wall Street Pepe goes up, but I'm going to be keeping some for the long term so that I have access to this group just to simply see what they're discussing and what they're talking about. I want to know what your guys' game plan is. Let me know down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.